Plumbing backups can totally ruin your day, but knowing what usually causes them can save you a ton of stress and cash. So here's the deal. One big cause of plumbing backups is tree root intrusion. Those roots find their way into your pipes and make a mess. Another common problem is grease buildup. Pouring fat down the drain might seem harmless, but it clogs pipes fast. Broken pipes, whether from old age or shifting ground, also mess up your plumbing flow. Sometimes pipes sag or settle unevenly, creating low spots where stuff gets stuck. Foreign objects that aren't meant to go down the drain, like wipes or toys, cause blockages too. To avoid backups, don't pour grease down the sink. Instead, let it cool and throw it in the trash. Use drain strainers to catch hair and debris before they enter your pipes. Finally, schedule regular inspections with a plumber to catch issues early before they turn into big headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with plumbing backups is ignoring slow drains. They often think it will clear up on its own, but that just lets grease buildup or debris get worse. The fix here is to act fast and use natural drain cleaners or call a plumber before the problem escalates. Another common issue is flushing non-flushable items like wipes or paper towels. This causes foreign object blockages that are tough to clear. The best fix? Only flush toilet paper and human waste, and toss everything else in the trash. Lastly, not maintaining your trees or checking for root intrusion can lead to serious pipe damage. Getting a root inspection and trimming trees near your sewer line helps keep roots out for good. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and other home repairs. Plus, contractors get connected with people who need their services, so everyone wins and the work keeps flowing smoothly.